There's Hachi and Bella with their glow doggies. Bella, come here. Come here. It's crazy how bright it is. Anyways, it's fabulous. We can see them from a mile away if we want. They're waterproof, and I love them. So, yeah, they have all kinds of different colors. They have blue, turquoise, green, orange, darker blue, pink. AAA batteries, yeah, you do it. Hachi, stop pumping. So, but I love it. I just love it.
Would it fit your dog?
I had a leash.
Oh, wow. So cute. Can't get over how bright that is.
I found it. It's actually, I think, for a bike.
Yeah, perfect beacon. That's all you need. When they're dark, they disappear. And you find yourself screaming for them, and they're standing right beside you. Hachi! And he's like, idiot. You know, and he's right beside me, but he doesn't tell me he's right beside me. He just stands there and looks at me and says, what are you doing? Okay, go play. Go. 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 Go, go, go. Go. What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing? You think there's something in here? Come on, up, up, up. Oh, look at, she just climbed up. She's crazy. Get out of there, chicken bone. Yeah, fell out. Silly bugger found a chicken bone. God, you're getting as good as Hachi. Okay. Go. Get going. Where's Hachi? What you doing, Hachi? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Get out of the Get out of the planter. Little miss. Yeah. Anyhow, big up to Glowdoggie Canada. Best LED collars for search and rescue dogs. Waterproof. Bomb bomb. Thank you very, very much.